So real quick, we got the framing done in this basement bathroom. So we had pipes that were below the joist. So what we did is rip the 2x4 and added them to the bottom of each joist. We didn't notch the joist. We just brought the ceiling down 1.5 inches lower. So we're gonna have a 36-inch shower to the outside. So that's gonna be here. And then inside is gonna be 32. We're gonna put our curb. That's our shower curb. Sorry about that. So this is our shower curb here. So that's all shower. And of course, 36, 18, you got your blocking for your valve. And then we're gonna have we need 15 inches for the toilet flange to be roughed in. So 36 plus 15, so 51 plus another 15 is 66. So we need 15 here to the center and 15 on both sides of the toilet flange. So 66. So toilet. And then we have a 24-inch vanity. So we got 90 right there. So it's gonna be tight, but it's gonna work. Also, you're gonna have a little space here so you can play with the vanity a little because we got drywall. You'll have like 1.5 inches in there on about both sides. And then toilet from the back here, 12 to the center. All right, so we've got our ground broken. We just located our pipe. As you can see, this is a pretty messy part of the job. So we're gonna take out the old concrete and we're gonna keep the dirt and put it back. And then we will put our fern cones here. We'll put our fern co on there and transition to PVC. We get the old cast iron. We don't use cast iron anymore. And we'll rough in our plumbing. Our drains at least.